Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into an important topic for business owners and taxpayers, tax collection at source, or TCS, on the sale of goods under Section 206C, 1H of the Income Tax Act. So, what exactly is TCS, and how does it affect you as a seller or purchaser of goods? Let's break it down. Tax collection at source, or TCS, is a tax collection mechanism where the seller collects tax from the buyer at the time of sale of certain goods. This tax is then deposited with the government on behalf of the buyer. According to Section 206C, 1H, if a seller's turnover exceeds Rs 10 crores in the preceding financial year, they are required to collect and deposit TCS at the rate of 0.1% on receipt of sale consideration from a buyer exceeding Rs 50 lakhs. This means that if you are a seller of goods and your total sales to a buyer exceed Rs 50 lakhs in a financial year, you are required to collect TCS from the buyer at the time of sale. Now, you might be wondering, how does TCS impact my business? Well, for sellers, compliance with TCS provisions involves additional administrative work, such as registration, collection, and deposit of TCS with the government. Failure to comply with TCS provisions can lead to penalties and legal consequences. Here are some tips for businesses to ensure compliance with TCS provisions. Keep track of sales to each buyer to monitor if the threshold limit of Rs 50 lakhs is exceeded. Obtain the buyer's PAN Aadhaar details to ensure accurate collection of TCS. Timely deposit TCS with the government and file TCS returns as per the prescribed due dates. Remember, understanding and complying with TCS provisions is essential for smooth business operations and avoiding any legal issues. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.